You don't always need a positive expectancy risk to reward to make money day trading. Today, I'm going to show you guys how I did that this week with about a 0.5R multiple win rate. So on Thursday will be the first trade that I'm going over, and it was just a really clean trade, a 0.6R trade. So in the live markets, I want to run down why I took this trade and why I felt comfortable taking it with a negative risk to reward multiple. Now, could I have made a lot more money on this trade? Absolutely. But I'm also 25 out of 30 days away, or I'm 5 days away from being able to clear out my whole funded account balance with Top Step. So I'm also like ready to, take my profits. I don't need to be swinging so hard. So on this trade, the entry, which I think is really important, the entry came right here on this wick, on this little wick down. That's where my entry was. As you can see, we break out of opening range high, and that's going to be this candle on the 15-minute chart. Then we retrace back to the daily, and we hold it with pins and continue to move higher. My entry is on the break of the high of day VWAP. Right here, this purple line is the high of day VWAP on that break, and I'm putting my stop under the lows, and then I'm taking profit at the weekly high area at 97. Now, there was a bunch of money left on this trade, and you know what? That's so be it. But I win these trades more than I lose. So now, if we go look at Wednesday, you can see I was down on Wednesday initially. I took this short and then cut it for a small loss. Then what I did is I flipped the bias and I took two trades from the same price level. So what I'm looking for is working price level to price level. This one was from 58 to 68. And then on the next trade, I got in at 58 to 68. So I just worked the same price level, but you can see the stop loss. This one I got 1R, but on this trade, I got, 0.4R. So you don't always need a positive risk to reward to make money. I still profited $316 that day. So, yeah, let me know what your guys' risk to reward is, and are you profitable?